Rest in peace, Aaliyah. Salute Detroit. Rock the boat challenge. This that Minnesota shit though. You did. Yeah. Hey, I'm about to rock the boat. She said she bringin' a friend, so I'm gonna knock them both. One on my face, the other give my eye the stove. Pussy getting so wet, might have to mop the floor. Chicks screaming like they never had no cock before. Now her mom wanna join, so she locked the door. Hey, now I'm standing with my hands on the wall, dick in her face like I'm pissing in a stall. One leg in my pants, the other leg got my drawers. Humping back and forth like I'm a motherfucking dog. Stuffing pussy in my face like I'm a motherfucking hog. When I nut, that shit be slimy like some eggnog. Fold you up like a pretzel, now I got your legs sore. Humping hard like I'm trying to break the headboard. After this, if you want some dick, you gotta beg for it. While I'm hitting it from the back, you keep on trying to move forward. Okay, now ride the way. Rude boy in that pussy, girl, I misbehave. I'm about to beat that pussy up, you about to catch this fade. Kissing on you like you been missing since yesterday. Irish Spring, that pussy hella fresh today. Girl, you cleaned up for me to make a mess today. Looking fly, in your Sunday's best. Today, when we done, we gon' be smelling like yesterday.